how to create component for 555 timer. This is a shortcut or a different way to create a component, and I'll even tell you how to create pattern or footprint for the same. Okay, so as I have observed in the lab, you are creating a new library for every component. You don't have to create a new library for every component. What you have to do is, once you create a library, how you create a new library by clicking on this, and once you create a library, okay, so just right click on this portion and add a new component. Okay, in this, see, I have created diode, timer, transistor, register in the same library. So likewise, you don't have to create a library again and again. So let us create a component for the timer. So select, drop down this and type the name. Let us say IC555, and for our reference, so it is a T. Okay. So there is a symbol template here. In this, style is free because we used to draw manually box and drop down the pins from this section. Okay, and draw it like this. So you don't have to do this. Okay, there is another shortcut way to create a IC. So drop down this and IC2 side. You select this IC2 side, and width of this box you select with, let us say it is 400 mils, and height, let us say it is 350 mils. Pins, 4 on one side and 4 on another side, or you can even give 5 on another side and 4 on 3 on another side. So it is 8 pin IC. Left, or let us say it is 5 pins, and right just 3 pins, or 4 this side and 4 that side. Okay, now click on this pin manager. Okay, you will get this pin manager menu. So here what you have to do, you have to number the pins. Let us say pin number 1 is reset pin, and property, it is your name and passive device. Pin 4 is a trigger pin, and show, and it is a electric coil. It is a output pin. Pin number 6 is output pin. Pin number 7 is another pin, and it is a passive. 6 should also be passive, and they should show the name in a component. Okay, pin number 7. Number 8 is VCC, and let us display the name. Okay, that's it. Here you can even check this. The length of each pin is 150 mil, and okay, so just say OK. So this is it. As you can see, you have created a 555 timer component. Okay, so save this. Now let us create a pattern for the same with a shortcut. Okay, So here what I'll again, you don't have to create a new library for each pattern. So here I'll add a new pattern to this. Okay. So give a name so that you can identify this. 5 timer pattern. Okay. So let us say it is a T. Again, here what you have to do, select rectangle. Okay, then horizontal, you don't have horizontal pads, and pad spacing is 100 mils, width is 300. The distance between this pad and this pad is 300 mils. Okay, so just save this and minimize this. Now let us place a box inside this and even change this in properties so that we can identify it as a pin number 1. Okay, so this is the pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then now you draw the silk screen. Before that, let me draw one for the reference handle and notch. Draw the notch. Okay, so make a little bit changes. I'll erase this box and I'll create a perfect notch for this perfect silk screen. So this is it. We have created a pattern now. So IC5 timeline library, and next step is to attach them. So how you attach? Go to components. So here attach pattern. So to this I have to attach a pattern. So the library, it is a user pattern. So I have this library. So this is the component pattern I have created. So see, different patterns are there. This time shortcut method I have created this one. So attach this. You can even check whether they are mapped. Number 1 is to 1, 2, 2, 3 like that. They are correct, and just say OK. Now if you minimize this and click on this, you can see the pattern, because the pattern has been attached to this component, and in a schematic you can, or in a PCB layout, you will be able to use this pattern, or in schematic you will be able to use this component. So hope this helps in creating the IC for a component for a timer IC. Thank you.